Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, back again from the Appalachian Ocean, and within this video I want to show you how to unfold DJI Flip and how to fold DJI Flip. So right now the DJI Flip is folded. This is the type setup that it would be in when you're transporting it, to and from your safe and responsible flying location. Again, I am the drone evangelist and always practice and preach safe and responsible drone use. And I encourage you all to be fellow drone evangelists. Don't just practice drone safety, preach it. Because if we don't, this drone hobby could cease to exist, and that would be catastrophic. So this is how to unfold the DJI Flip. One of the outermost sections, pull it out gently. The next outermost section, the innermost section, and then the next innermost section. Boom. DJI Flip is unfolded. Now how do you fold the DJI Flip? Well, you look at the flip and you're like, hello DJI Flip, how do I fold you? And you look at the camera. Imagine the camera is the flip's eyes. So turn it around, look at the rear of the DJI Flip. While you're looking at the rear, grab one of the two rear sections, fold it gently. Grab the second rear section, fold it gently. Grab one of the front sections, fold it gently, and then grab the other front section and fold it gently. So that's how to unfold DJI Flip and how to fold DJI Flip. So while you're watching this flipping video, we're going to unfold it and fold it real quickly. So side, side, enter, enter. And then you look at the flips like, hey man, I can see you. Looking at the camera, and then you turn around. I'm looking at your rear end. Look at the rear end. Fold it, one of the rear ones. Fold the next rear one. Fold this one. Fold this one. Or you could do either or for that. But that's how to unfold and fold the DJI Flip. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell when you do, and check out all of my DJI Flip videos, all my other drone videos too. Man, I've been flying drones since DJI Phantom 1. I've got thousands of drone videos now and thousands more coming soon. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.